Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to elevate your cooking experience, the KitchenAid 84837 10-piece hard anodized non-stick ceramic cookware set in a sleek, matte black finish. Is this the upgrade your kitchen has been waiting for? Let's find out. First impressions matter, and this set makes a strong one. The matte black finish is sophisticated and modern, instantly adding a touch of elegance to any stovetop. It's a look that fits seamlessly into contemporary, modern, or even traditional kitchen styles. Beyond aesthetics, the quality of the construction is immediately apparent. This set is built from hard anodized aluminum, a material renowned for its durability, resistance to corrosion, and excellent heat conductivity. This means your cookware will not only withstand the rigors of daily use but also heat up quickly and evenly, which is absolutely crucial for consistent cooking results. One of the standout features of this KitchenAid set is its long-lasting ceramic non-stick coating. We all know how frustrating sticky pans can be, leading to uneven cooking and difficult cleanups. KitchenAid claims this ceramic non-stick is durable, and in our testing, it held up remarkably well. Food slides off with minimal effort, from delicate eggs to seared meats. This non-stick quality is essential for healthier cooking too, as it often requires less oil or butter. And when it comes to cleanup, the non-stick surface makes a world of difference. Most messes wipe away with a damp cloth, though hand washing is recommended to preserve the longevity of the coating. The set includes a versatile range of pots and pans to cover all your culinary needs. You get saucepans in various sizes, a sauté pan, and frying pans, each designed for specific tasks. The inclusion of shatter-resistant glass lids is a thoughtful touch. These lids allow you to monitor your food without lifting them, retaining heat and moisture. The tempered glass construction means they are durable and can withstand temperature changes, a significant improvement over flimsier lid materials. The handles are ergonomically designed and heat-resistant, providing a comfortable and secure grip while cooking, even when the pans are hot. Compatibility is another key aspect of any cookware set, and this KitchenAid offering doesn't disappoint. It's designed to work on a variety of cooktops, including glass, gas, ceramic, and electric. This broad compatibility means you likely won't need to replace your existing stovetop to use this set, making it a convenient choice for many households. Furthermore, the cookware is oven-safe up to a remarkable 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature is a game-changer, allowing you to effortlessly transition from stovetop searing to oven finishing, perfect for dishes like roasts or baked pasta. When using these pans, it's recommended to use utensils made of wood, silicone, or nylon to protect the non-stick surface. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of the KitchenAid 84837 10-piece hard anodized non-stick ceramic cookware set. On the positive side, the hard anodized aluminum construction offers superior durability and excellent heat distribution, leading to more even cooking. The long-lasting ceramic non-stick coating is effective and makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. The shatter-resistant glass lids are a practical and safe addition, and the oven-safe feature up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit provides incredible versatility. The matte black aesthetic is undeniably stylish. However, no product is perfect. The primary recommendation for hand washing, while common for non-stick cookware, might be a drawback for those who prefer the convenience of a dishwasher. Also, while the ceramic non-stick is durable, like all non-stick surfaces, it will eventually wear down with aggressive use or improper care. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations regarding utensil materials and cleaning to maximize its lifespan. Finally, as with any premium cookware set, the initial investment can be significant. In conclusion, the KitchenAid 84837 10-piece hard anodized non-stick ceramic cookware set is a premium offering that delivers on its promises of durability, performance, and style. The combination of hard anodized aluminum, high-quality ceramic non-stick, and thoughtful features like oven-safe construction and shatter-resistant lids makes it a compelling choice for home cooks looking for reliable and attractive cookware. If you're in the market for a comprehensive set that blends functionality with a sophisticated look, this KitchenAid set is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.